Hey guys, just a few days ago, Sledgehammer implemented a resistance community event, and along with that update that they issued, they patched some zombie glitches. There are still some glitches that still work, but I'm going to show you guys, which ones are patched and which ones they didn't mess with. One of the more popular glitches was being able to get into the second story of the pub, and there were 3 ways to get into it. One of them was to down yourself right here in front of that care package, and it would teleport you up when you were, revived by a friend. Well, that method has been patched. It doesn't do anything to you. It doesn't teleport you up, and sometimes it can send you into a death barrier, so it's definitely not worth trying. The second way to get into the pub, and the most popular, was being able to just jump into it. You would come to this ramp right here and then just kind of hop over, and it would put you up into the pub, or sometimes you'd hit a death barrier, but that seems to be gone now. The third and final way to get into the second story was to come up to this bar and crouch or prone, down yourself, and then when you revive, it would teleport you up into the second story. Well, now it teleports you back into the spawn. So all ways of getting into this pub are currently patched. The next one that is still working, and they have not patched this one, and I'm really surprised, is being able to dolphin dive, and go prone and then stand on the rim of this fire pit that goes down into the sewers. I figured enough people had probably posted this, and I talk about this glitch all the time, and I'm sure people in public matches get into this, and it's probably annoying for people, so yeah, just weird that they haven't patched it. The next glitch that still works is not one that's super popular. It's a real pain to get into, and unless you've practiced it a lot, it's probably going to be frustrating and you're probably going to give up. It's this glitch right here in the laboratory where you can make 3 jumps, like very tricky jumps, and get all the way up to the top and then create a pile up. And yeah, this could take you a really long time to try to hit these little tiny platforms. So most people are probably not going to want to do it anyways, but yeah, it still works. This next glitch was something that worked in World at War, and it's possible that they just use the same mechanics from that game, but it's where 2 characters can be breached inside of each other, and it creates a god mode for both players. There's a couple of different methods for getting into another player, just right. You could down yourself, crawl into them, sometimes run into them. It was a really good method for going down this chute into the pack-a-punch where both players would land inside of each other, and then yeah, they would be in god mode. Well, this method is now patched. They finally caught on to it, and yeah, this was a god mode that you could do anywhere, and people were using it for unlimited ammo, and even using it on Roasting House to get to really high rounds. But yeah, it is gone. It does not work. This next glitch actually still works, and you need another player to help you do this. You have one player stand about a foot away from the corner of that building, and then you just jump into the wall where I did, and you can get into this room, and yeah, the zombies do not hit you. You are in god mode. The zombies spawning in that room can be kind of frustrating, and they can stagger in and be kind of slow, so I'm not too sure how good this would be for a high round situation. There are a few other glitches on this map that I'm not covering because they're not that popular and they're not that good. All of the glitches on Roasting House currently do not work, and I think Prologue, you can't do any glitches on there either. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.